Here's your 30-minute chart. This is it's a logical first target to get to the 45 zone. But inside days are funny. They can run, and sometimes we get those kings and queens. I think the traders who missed yesterday are in danger of, trying to do too much too soon, especially. I think we're going to hit at least the 48 and maybe into the 50s, like 52 to 54. And the middle is back at 58, the big pivot. So I think that's today's primary resistance. If it gets above 58, it'll go anyplace. And part of the problem, I believe, is that we've had a stolen range, that we went so far yesterday that we've taken up a lot of today's range already. I'm not negating Zeke's idea that if we, obviously take out 28, we'll bump a lot of stops. That's true. But that being said, it doesn't have to be done today. It doesn't have to be done tomorrow. It may hang in there while we're waiting, because we are way ahead of ourselves. And I think for most traders, you have to understand the nature of this beast, that, now we've solidly had a statement made yesterday, but there's been little resistance built up through that bar. And those are the most treacherous kind of transactions, because they stole so much of today's range already. ATR is 25 or something like that, or 20, and you get a 50-point day. So now everybody's convinced, okay, this is terrible. Well, yeah, it is, but it happened all one day. So now the bias, it really shifts for, bear flag type behavior. So I'm not gung-ho short today. Yesterday was a trend day. Today is a new ball game. As a coach, I used to, I work with a collegiate softball team, and we'd start out the next game, nothing. But today we're going 0-0. So what? We won yesterday 12-2. Today's a new game. We could get beat 1-0. So I'm going to be conservative today. Anybody who played well yesterday, your first goal is keep what you made, because you made yesterday's VIG and a good portion of today's too already. So today is a day that I don't want to get too cute. I don't want to give back a substantial amount of what happened there, and I'm prepared that the longs are going to try to dig out from what was a terrible day. And we're going to get probably one decent short today. I'm not thinking I want to get 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. That was yesterday. Today the longs are going to try to fight back, and then we'll get, and morning after trend day happened yesterday. Okay, I'm looking at this. This was morning after trend day, right here. This last swing. This last swing from here to here is the setup. At the end of the day, we said, right, 32 to 34 support if you want to try it. That's held. So on a 5-minute chart at the open, I want to be looking at the nature of this beast. If we're above 42, we're still trying to hold and bounce a little. And I want to look at the 10. 10-minute chart is coming at me saying, okay, this 51 resistance, 52 zone is significant for now. And the longs are going to try to bust these stops today. That will be their goal, is try to dislodge traders that have profits and try to squeeze them back and hurt so that those traders will dump positions. So today is a much more neutral thinking, because we had such a big run yesterday, and now it's a retracement day. And then we take out the low fine, but I'm still thinking that the lion's share of yesterday and today's range is already in. And then we'll take it step by step.